Hydrogen. It is the chemical element with the symbol H and atomic number 1, and it has a standard atomic weight of 1.008, and hydrogen is considered as the lightest element in the periodic table. So when we talk about the periodic table, the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. And since hydrogen has only one electron, the electron occupies the one and only s subshell. That is why the electronic configuration is 1s1. And position of hydrogen in the periodic table is not justified because it resembles both alkali metal as well as halogen. So when we say it resembles alkali metal, how does it resembles alkali metal? Due to the presence of only one electron in its 1s shell, hydrogen will exhibit dual behavior, that is, it will resemble both alkali metal and halogen. Hydrogen has one electron in its valence shell, just like your alkali metals. So, both hydrogen and alkali metals will have the tendency of forming monovalent cations by losing the electrons in the valence shell. So, hydrogen shows electropositive character just like the alkali metals. And in their compounds, both hydrogen and alkali metals will show +1 oxidation state. So these are all the few properties of hydrogen which resembles alkali metals. And when we talk about the resemblance of hydrogen with halogens, both hydrogen and halogens will require one electron to complete their octets. So, like halogens, it will form a diatomic molecule and several covalent compounds. So, ionization of hydrogen is almost similar to halogen. Hydrogen as well as halogens are basically diatomic in nature. And we have different isotopes of hydrogen. So, what are all the isotopes of hydrogen? Hydrogen has three main isotopes, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium is most common isotope of hydrogen. Deuterium, it is also one of the stable isotope of hydrogen. But tritium, it is the most stable radioisotope of hydrogen. And these isotopes form naturally in nature. And the main isotopes of hydrogen, why we consider these as unique is because they are the only isotopes that will have a name. And protium is the most common isotopes of hydrogen, which will make up more than 99.98% of all the hydrogen which is present in the universe. That is why protium is very famous one among the isotopes of hydrogen, because its composition is almost 99.98% of all the hydrogen in the universe. So these are all certain important properties of hydrogen. That is, hydrogen, it resembles both alkali metals as well as halogens, and it has three isotopes, and the isotopes of hydrogen are considered unique because they have a name. That is why isotopes of hydrogen is very important.